Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical Power BI tutorial that'll make your reports easier for anyone to read and understand. If you've ever looked at a big number in your dashboard and found yourself squinting, wondering just how much money that is, you're definitely not alone. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add commas to numbers, turning those overwhelming strings of digits into neatly formatted currency, all by using DAX format in Power BI. Let's get right into it. First things first, go ahead and open up your Power BI project. You can do this with any report or dataset where you'd like your numbers displayed in a friendlier, more readable format. Formatting is more than just making things look pretty. A well-formatted number instantly communicates value and helps stakeholders absorb your insights without friction. No more playing detective with giant numbers. Once you're in Power BI, you'll want to find the specific table where your numbers are stored. In this example, let's assume we're working with sales data. Just click to highlight your sales table on the right side of the workspace. This step is important because the measure you're about to create needs to know where to pull data from to format. Now, here's a trick that might not be obvious the first time around. Simply right-click your chosen table. A menu will pop up, and among the options, you'll spot New Measure. Measures in Power BI are like little calculators. They dynamically run formulas on your data anytime something changes. Click New Measure and you'll see a formula bar appear at the top of your screen. Here, where you'll type the magic formula, so follow along closely. Type sales currency equals format sum sales amount #0. Let me break that down for you. The sum sales amount part collects all your sales amounts and adds them up. But raw numbers can get messy quickly, so the format function wraps that total up and gives it a polished look. The format string #0 is what tells Power BI to show a $sign, separate thousands with commas, and include 2 decimals, just like you'll see on invoices, bank statements, or any official document. It's one small tweak that goes a long way toward professionalizing your visuals. Once you've entered the formula, go ahead and hit Save. Sometimes Power BI might take a moment to process, especially with larger datasets. Don't worry if it does, just let it finish up. Now you'll see your new sales currency measure appear in your list of fields. To see your new formatted measure in action, just drag and drop sales currency onto your table visual. Instantly, your numbers are not just readable but presentable, complete with those crisp commas and clean decimals. If you're splitting out data by product or region, every row is easier to interpret at a glance. And that's all there is to it. You've transformed raw data into insights that are clear and easy to share with others. This is one of those steps that's quick to set up, but makes a huge difference in how your colleagues or clients experience your reports. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about DAX formatting or Power BI in general, just drop them in the comments. I read every one. And of course, if you want more Power BI tips and tricks, make sure you subscribe so you never miss a video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.